Do you like cookie? Do you like cookie? Which fruit do you like? Which fruit do you like? Do you like in the Duck House book?
Sure.
Do you like that book? Yes? Okay, let's wait. Here you are. Come here.
Sit here.
Sit. Sit on the floor. Okay. In a
Doctor house.
the
Here.
here. The
A sun
went
went
down. The stars came out. The clock struck 10 and I went walking under
Doctor
the
Moon.
yes, and under that dark
Doctor Green.
moon I saw a dark
Doctor Green.
Was I scared?
No.
No. And past that dark
Doctor Green.
I saw a
A
dark
doctor house.
house. I went in the
It's a doctor.
yeah.
It's a dog.
It's so dark.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
Tick.
Yes.
It's a ticker. It's a scary.
Yeah. It's so scary. Was I scared?
Yes.
No. And in the dark,
House.
I went up
It's
some
a house. It's a dog.
dark stairs.
Doctor. It's the sea there.
Can you see stair?
And the sea.
Was I scared?
Yes.
No. And at the end of the dark
Dog.
stairs,
Yes.
I saw a dark
Dog.
here
Dog. Door.
door. I opened the.
The door.
Was I scared?
Yes.
No. And behind the dark,
Dog.
here, this one. Door. I found a dark
Dog.
chest.
Yes.
Chest. Was I scared?
Yes.
No. I opened the dark chest,
Yes.
and inside was a
The mountain.
monster. It had three
Three eyes.
and green,
Green nose.
long,
Long teeth.
and sharp.
Soft nose.
Was I scared?
This
Yes. I shut the
door.
the
The
chest. I slammed the door. I ran down the stair and out of the
house.
house. I ran and ran past the tree.
Bao được sát đây. Ba.